All the chairs are going to go into the rehearsal room.
It's definitely a start.
Hi, I'm Bob Checchia. I'm an actor here at Epac. I'm the Vice President of the Board of Directors, and I'm also the Chair of the Maintenance Department. It's a one-man department, but it is what it is. And I'm standing outside of Epac right now. We just had a great day of social distancing spring cleaning in the middle of summer. A lot of people don't know this, but back in May, we suffered a pretty serious, severe flood and had a lot of damage to a lot of rooms and a lot of items. And so we gathered some volunteers together today to do a major cleanup and in hopes that we can get back to normal. You'll see some video and some still photos of the damage that was done, and for those of you that know and love this theater, you'll see that it's pretty devastating. All I can say to you is that, not everyone can come out and help, but maybe you can reach into your pocket and help us get through this time. It's, we're doing as best we can to try and keep the doors open. And I know it's tough for a lot of people, but if you have any spare change, anything is accepted and appreciated more than you'll ever know. And thank you for always supporting theater that matters, and Epac is essential.